What would you advise somebody who's seeing these things unfold? When's the right time to call an attorney?
I would do it sooner than later, right? For instance, we do free consultations on these kinds of things. Call us, talk to us, tell us what the situation is. We can, I don't like to give legal advice over the phone,
Sure,
but we could at least give you a strategy or a game plan, right? And you're a little bit wrong on that though, because I do see people do this at the drop of a dime. We actually had a case where, it was like the first of the month, right? And on the first of the month, the guy decided, I'm going to shut the other guy out from everything.
Wow.
Right? And it's like he came to the office and it's like, sorry, you don't work here anymore. Right? And so he was smart enough to, reach out to us within days of that happening.
Right.
Right? He tried to resolve it informally. He saw that the guy was offering him pennies on the dollar and he's like, no, I'm not doing this. I'm going to a lawyer. But a lot of times people don't do that, right? And they wait and they go, well, no, let me counter with something. And they take their time. And again, the longer it takes, the more the majority is able to kind of entrench themselves.
So I think it's probably more difficult to pinpoint if you're going in a gradual situation. But again, if you have almost the benefit of somebody giving you that answer so quickly, the doors are locked, your next call needs to be an attorney, and you're not going to solve that problem by talking it out, right? If someone's acting that aggressively towards you.
Yeah, and one other thing I would suggest to people, and when you're looking for an attorney that does these business disputes, and I've seen this too a lot of times, right? People call their family friend, hey, my family friend's an attorney, talk to them, they'll give you a strategy. What winds up happening is a lot of these attorneys, they don't do this that often, right? They're an attorney that does, something else, whatever that is. I'm not saying anything bad about any specific attorneys, but this isn't what they do.
It's not their area of expertise.
Right. And so they'll kind of give you a game plan and they'll kind of string things along, or they'll write a letter that doesn't hit right to the point. And that actually fuels the entrenchment, right? Because you have an attorney, if I'm on the other side of this and I get a letter from an attorney that doesn't know what he's talking about, I just tell my client to ignore it.